Use recordings for video creation. Do you want to use your recordings to create movies? We have an idea. Try the Screen Recorder plus Video Editor Plus bundle. How do they work together? Capture the screen with Screen Recorder. Open the recordings in Video Editor Plus. Use the recordings to create a video by trimming, cutting, and joining clips. Add animated titles and special effect. Save your clip in Full HD or 4K. Read more,
https://www.movavi.com/adverbs/screen recorder/question/GC
Kopkane Bretsk 0 Amir, Bulb 3 by 1 Xavososk Y8_Bway Copyright Movavi.com. Movavi Screen Recorder is lightweight yet powerful video recording software for Windows PC that lets you capture streaming video and music from websites, save Skype calls, and preserve other screen recordings. For webinars, streaming media, video chats, video blog posts, and how-to/tutorials you can try Movavi Screen Capture Studio. Capturing video from your computer screen doesn't need extra hardware or complex software. With Movavi Screen Recorder 2022, you can capture any type of screen activity and save the results in any popular format: MOV, AVI, MP4, MP3, and GIF. Online video and audio, Skype chats with friends, program tutorials, anything can be recorded in high quality at 60 FPS. You can record any online video regardless of when it's playing. Just set the timer and schedule the computer to shut down after it finishes recording. Want to make a program tutorial? Include cursor movements and keyboard actions in your screencast for a more effective result. Record your own voice, system sounds, or everything at once. Save the recording in any format, or upload it directly to your YouTube channel. Just sign into your account from within the program. Screen Recorder enables you to save whatever you see on your screen and use it for record webinars, online tutorials, and other educational videos. Delete unwanted sections from any video. Save recordings for viewing on a computer or mobile device. Replay captured videos at any time. Capture short clips from websites. Save movies and TV series to watch anytime. Extract music from video, record internet radio. Remove ads and other unwanted content. Need to record your gameplay? Try Movavi Game Recorder. Record video chats with friends and family. The show, don't tell, use video clips and screenshots instead of wordy explanations. Use screen recordings to demonstrate bugs and glitches to tech support. Note, 7 days trial version. In the demo version, captures 120 seconds long clips and watermarks on the processed video. What can you do with our screen recording software for Windows? Create screencasts. Grab your microphone, webcam and system sounds. Record screen and audio simultaneously or separately. Schedule recording. Choose the date and time for the video screen capture to start. Set the time limit for capturing. Show keystrokes and mouse. Show your keyboard to viewers and set up the mouse display in the recording. Draw on videos. Draw on the video during the recording process. Add important drawings to your tutorials and make videos more engaging. Record only audio. Record sounds from computer or microphone separately from the screen recording. Capture your webcam. Capture your webcam output without recording the screen. Take a photo via the webcam. Need to start capturing in few minutes but still don't have a computer screen recorder installed? Movavi Screen Recorder for Windows will solve your problem. This video capture software is so easy and intuitive that you don't spend any time learning how to use it. Our screen recorder with audio allows you to make records with a sound, edit videos, save results and share them. Download our screen video recorder and start using the catcher today.